Good morning. So we are continuing our series today all about YouTube and how to use YouTube to grow your business. Of course, every single day I come on with a frequently asked question and I answer that question for you to help you with your online store. So we are currently in a series about YouTube. Like I just said, if you're watching this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, follow. And I also want to mention that I am going to be doing a webinar all about how to use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel that will be coming out on the 27th of October at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. It is a free webinar. If you'd like to join me for that webinar to get more help with your YouTube channel, make sure that you go to MyScheduledBiz.com, just like my handle on whatever channel you're watching, and MyScheduledBiz.com/YouTube. And that's going to take you right to where you can sign up for that free webinar. All right, so let's jump into the question for today. Today's question is, what type of content sells on YouTube? And I have 4 types of content that seem to do well on YouTube. The first one is a how-to. So this is going to be like how to tie your shoe, or I do a lot on my channel where I'm showing how to use specific types of tech. So how to build a website for sales, how to do this, how to do that. These are all how-tos and they are very, very common on YouTube and do really well and get views. The second type of content that sells really well on YouTube is frequently asked questions. So one of the things I'm actually going to be teaching you in the webinar that's coming up on the 27th is how to find the right questions that your people are asking so that you can answer them. So these frequently asked questions are literally you're answering someone's questions, kind of like what I'm doing today. The question that I'm answering is what type of content sells on YouTube. So you would have to find the frequently asked questions that your people have about their lifestyle, which surrounds your product. So that's the second type. The third type of content that really sells on YouTube are reviews. And so I actually do this with my Carry Clip brand where I review outdoor equipment and outdoor tools for people who like to be outside and hike, because those are my ideal customer. And when they find me for those reviews, they oftentimes will find information about my product, which I can then sell to them. So doing these reviews gives me an opportunity to help people find the right products, even if they're not mine. Of course, I would never review a competitor, but they're adjacent products, which will bring the right people to me to possibly purchase my product as well. So that is the third type of content that sells on YouTube. The fourth type of content that sells on YouTube are responses. And so you see this a lot where someone will respond to an event that happened, or they'll watch someone else's video and you'll actually watch them do the response to that video. These 4 types of content do very well on YouTube. And so my recommendation would be to use one or a combination of these 4 types of things if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. Now, again, my free webinar is going to be on the 27th of October at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you'd like to join me to get more tips and help with your YouTube channel and how to use TikTok as a tool to grow YouTube, then you'll definitely want to go there, myscheduledbiz.com/YouTube, and get signed up so you can join me on that free webinar. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. We will be doing more YouTube tips this week, so come back and watch me again tomorrow. And this one will be posted once the live is over. So if you missed any of the tips, you can come back and watch those. Don't forget to follow so that you can come back and see the tips again. Thank you again. My name is ELISE, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow to talk more about YouTube. Bye.